Guys, we bought a house, but not in San Diego. Very close, about 45 minutes away. We bought a house in Temecula, California, which is actually where my wife's family is from, and so we're excited to move closer to family and be there, but also because we bought a house, and I'm so excited to be a homeowner now, to do awesome house upgrades. We've already started doing tons of DIY projects, and yes, I've started filming some stuff, but before we move out of this place, yes, it took a whole year. I want to give you guys the apartment tour that I promised. Some places are a little messy. Excuse the mess because we are in the process of starting to pack and starting to move. So, without further ado, hope you guys enjoy the short apartment tour. And yes, house tour to come very soon. So I guess we should start with our living room, right? Let's go. So this is our living room. When you first walk through the front doors, it's a very open concept apartment, and I love that. To the left of when you walk in is our dining area. We got a big dining table. I've always wanted a giant dining table to be able to host. And to the right when you walk in is our kitchen. And that's Alexa. We've already turned off our Wi-Fi. That's how close we are to moving, so Alexa's been going crazy. So my wife and I love open concept places, and so we love that right when you walk into our apartment, it opened up into a nice, long, big living room. Okay, so when you first walk into the living room, you'll see my wife's desk actually, and I really love this thing. My wife has great taste, shout out to you, and she just keeps it nice and classy, and this is actually a secretary desk, which I love because kind of hides away all the mess that's in here, our printer, our stationery supplies, markers, whatever else we use to write letters or draw or print stuff. And it just opens up into a nice, really easy to use secretary desk and closes right up as well. From IKEA, definitely check this one out. I really like this desk. Now over on this other side, we have this nice round mirror from IKEA that I absolutely love. It's great for when you're leaving. Check yourself in the mirror, make sure you're looking good. But also, we got a little IKEA unit here where we store some of our shoes. But yeah, over here, besides shoes, we have our little guinea pigs. We have 2 guinea pigs. Yes, I absolutely love them. Don't hate, guinea pigs are the cutest things ever, and they don't bite. They are so different from hamsters. I guess also if we swing this way, we can kind of see the kitchen. It's pretty open, which I really like. Our last kitchen was super squished and tiny. Things are nice and white and clean, and one of the things that I'm gonna miss and I love the most about living in an apartment complex is when anything breaks, dishwasher, refrigerator, AC, bathtub, toilet, anything, I can call maintenance and they come hook it up and fix it for free. Coming around this way, we see my favorite couch in the world. It's from Living Spaces. It's huge. It's super deep specifically, and the material is really soft. I've sat on so many scratchy, not comfortable couches, and this one's amazing. I would literally not mind sleeping on this one over my own bed. Guys, comfiest couch ever. Some decorations, you'll see quite a few picked up from Target. I think they got some pretty classy, minimal looking, cute, for my wife, decorations, and I enjoy them too. And you'll see some pillows. We do like our throw pillows. And our coffee tables from World Market. Most of our floor lamps, table lamps, whatever, are from IKEA. They're filled with LIFX bulbs, and I will talk a lot more about smart home stuff when we move into our house. I just kind of figured I didn't want to bust out all the smart home stuff in my apartment because I was only going to live here for a year. So make sure you guys stay tuned because I am building the ultimate smart home. My TV unit was actually sent to me like 3 years or 4 years ago from Kanto Living. I just kind of never really talked about it, but I actually do really like it. It looks pretty classy. It matches my side table and my coffee table, which I really like, and it holds my TV up without mounting it to the wall or just leaving it on the unit, which I think is kind of cool. But in my new house, I can't wait. I'm gonna wall mount my TV. You'll notice in this video, I'm not gonna talk too much about tech. I'll save all that for the new house tour. But my TV, I believe, is a 55-inch Vizio 4K TV from about 4 or 5 years ago. It does the job, but I'm highly looking forward to upgrading to a 75 or 82-inch 4K TV. Samsung, LG, Sony, any other TV manufacturer out there, hit me up. I'd love a giant TV. Current consoles of choice that I got, Nintendo Switch, Xbox One X. I have a GameCube that I still got, and that's roughly it. I don't game too much, but I do enjoy dabbling here and there. So in this apartment, there are 2 bedrooms. I'm only gonna show you our master bedroom because you've seen most of the office, and I literally have not done a desk setup tour in I don't know how many years. So I'm gonna do a desk setup tour here before I break it down in these next couple days as well, so make sure you stick around for that desk setup tour video. I think it might be an ultra-wide desk setup tour video. my first one ever, so make sure you check that out. So this is my master bedroom. I absolutely love this 4-post bed. It's from Crate & Barrel, and I am definitely a sucker for interior design, as a lot of you guys know. My end tables, my nightstands are from West Elm, and they match great with my 4-post bed, and they look super classic. I hate this blue dresser. Don't tell my wife. It's from IKEA. I really want the matching set with my nightstands from West Elm, but those things are freaking expensive because that place is really high end. But their stuff is really nice, so adulting. Let's just see if I can kind of point around and see what's in this room. That wreath is from Target. Love the Magnolia stuff. I'm a pretty big sucker for house shows, so I love HGTV. Like I said, it's that designer in me. Over on that side, that mirror is from IKEA. I think it looks pretty good for the price. And dresser, like I said, is from IKEA. We have a small Samsung Smart TV in here. I think like 44 inch or something, 43, 42 inch. I don't know. It's my wife's old little Smart TV. Now, let's see if I can do this live. I got you guys on a tripod. This setup is driving me nuts, but lighting is gonna be crazy, white balance is crazy, but I don't even care. This is the master, this is the bedroom, and then if I pull you this way, there is a master bathroom. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh, my lights, oh my gosh, my camera almost fell too. This leads us into the master bathroom, and there is this nice long hallway. So from this angle, you should be able to see a little bit better. Sliding mirror closet for me, walk-in closet for my wife, and our bathroom. Not much to see. Shower, tub, sink. It's a bathroom, guys. Whatever. Let's talk real quick about the new house while I have you here. Lighting seems pretty decent. I wanted to tell you that we're moving to Temecula, and it is something that I'm super excited for, to own my own home. This is not at all bragging, just giving you a sneak peek of what our house looks like. We have a 4-bedroom house plus a loft, which I'll be turning into a dedicated office in the loft area, which means one of those bedrooms, the big one, not the master, there's a pretty big one, becomes an official shooting studio. For the first time ever, a room dedicated to filming. Oh, guys, I'm so excited to build it, show you it. We've already started doing construction and doing stuff myself. Yes, DIY, handyman Jerry, yeah, love doing that stuff. My dad, my wife's dad, and her stepdad, we're all working together. Oh, and my brother, can't forget him, love my brother, he's awesome. We're working together to kind of build up the house, and of course all the ladies of the family are also helping as well. And it's definitely not a fixer-upper. It was pretty nice for when we wanted to move in, but there were just some things that we wanted to change and DIY and do ourselves, and so I'm excited to take you guys through the process of that. We got keys last week or 2 weeks ago, and we got keys 2 weeks ago, and I've been working hard on the house, which is why I haven't really been posting videos, and I'm just so excited to share that journey with you guys. So make sure you're subscribed, stick around for that, and I can't wait. The new channel that I've been working on, How To's, T-U-E-S, please go subscribe. I'm gonna link that below. It is a how-to channel where I'm gonna try to post a lot of DIY stuff, especially now that I'm loving watching DIY videos and kind of like Home Depot, Lowe's videos and kind of craft projects that people are doing as homeowners. So make sure to join that journey, subscribe to How To's, and yeah, I want to try to do a lot more YouTube in the next few years and build these channels up and join the journey. Now on the other side of the house, so when you walk in the front door, the left side, I said there's a dining area right here, we'll talk about in a sec, and this hallway leads you to our second bathroom. It's a guest bathroom, not that exciting, and then over here is the office that I said I would save and show you guys in a little bit in a next video, and then here is just laundry. It is a godsend, seriously, such a blessing to have laundry inside your unit. In our last place, we had to walk 2 buildings over with our dirty laundry to do the laundry, and that was just so annoying. Gosh, it is amazing to have your own laundry, and that is such an adult thing to say. Kids, learn how to do laundry early. Last but not least, guys, this is the dining area. I absolutely love this giant dining table. It can fit between 6 to 10, depending on how comfortable you want to be, but I absolutely love that thing for hosting parties or game nights. It's a giant wooden table. It looks great. It's from Ashley Furniture, I think, and it has cool little drawers on it too, which I really like. Totally almost forgot. Yeah, we have a patio, and I actually really like it, so let's go check it out. It's pretty dark out there already though, so. This is my patio. Pretty big. Definitely like it. This is what I'm most proud of and I wanted to show you guys. I built this myself, and this is just an example of tons of the different DIY projects to come. This is a potting bench I built for my wife. You'll notice she has all different kinds of succulents, plants on here, and a worktop where she can build some stuff. And over there is our storage closet, super full. Let me show you real quick. And yeah, this is our apartment. Oh, and last but not least, I think I want to show you some of the amenities. It's got tons of awesome pools, jacuzzis, whatnot, a gym, and everything. But my favorite thing is this. There's a freaking bowling alley. Now that I'm not going to be living here anymore, I can show you the amenities as well, which is kind of why I waited so long to do this tour. This place has a carousel and a train for kids, which my niece has loved. It has a fitness center, a cafe, a salon. This place is freaking awesome. 2-story fitness center. One of my favorite things about this place, the infinity jacuzzi upstairs. View from the infinity jacuzzi. This is our parking garage. And there is my car. I love my Jeep. Grand Cherokee, love this thing. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for following along and supporting the channel. YouTube definitely is not a crazy money maker for me. It's just something I love doing. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Jerry Land with Novotech. I know this is a pretty simple, not much B-roll kind of video, but I kept my promise, and I look forward to you sticking around, subscribing, so you can find out more about what this channel, what my life is about, and kind of sharing that with you guys. To the next one and beyond.